Good morning, all of you. Welcome to mobile computing. Today, let me see Unit 5 Mobile Platforms and its Applications. First of all, before going to the subject, everyone know about what is meant by platform. A platform is a group of technologies that are used as a base upon which other applications, processes, or technologies are developed. In personal computing, a platform is the basic hardware and software on which software application can be run. That is the exact definitions of platforms. And also, I will explain another one definitions of mobile application platforms. And the platform refers to the development environment which mobile applications are created and coded with the wide range of devices and operating system on the market. It is necessary for developers to be able to create mobile applications that are compatible with multiple systems. This is the definitions of mobile platforms. Next, let you see what are the topics that we covered in Unit 5. Okay, these are a list of topics. First topic, mobile device operating system. The second one is special constraints and requirements. Next, commercial mobile operating system. Next, software development kit iOS, and then Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone, M-Commerce, structure, pros and cons, and then mobile payment system. Finally, let me see security systems. These are all upcoming topics to be covered in Unit 5. Okay. Next, let me see mobile device operating system. First of all, everyone understand what is meant by operating system. Operating system is a system software that manages the efficient utilization of the resources of computer by multiple tasks. This is the definitions of operating system in a traditional operating system. Okay. Let me come to the point. What is meant by mobile device operating system? The same as the mobile device operating system is a system software that manages the efficient utilization of the resources of a mobile device by multiple tasks. Okay, and also it provides the user interface communication with base station to the underlying hardware. Everyone know about why we are using mobile computing. The main purpose of mobile computing is the mobility. In that mobility purpose, we have to provide communication with base station to the underlying hardware. Okay. Next, these are all in this mobile device operating system have some other responsibilities. The first one is managing resources. The second one is providing different interfaces. Okay. Before going to the managing resources, let everyone know about what's in the resources. Resources is nothing but what are the components, what are the available things in our mobile device or any other computers. Okay, these are all these are components or comes under resources like memory, and then processor, files, and various attached devices like display, and then camera, speaker, mic, and keyboard. These are all resources. Okay. Next, let me see managing resources. One of the responsibility of the mobile operating system is to facilitate effective utilization of the resources of mobile device. Okay, this is the major responsibility of our mobile operating system. Already we had explained what are the resources available in our mobile. Memory, a processor, file. These are all some various resources. Some of the applications of smartphones are like recording, listening, music, watching, video, browsing the web, text, email. These are all some real-time applications of the smartphones. Okay. The next thing, the same is normally typical smartphones allow running above multiple applications simultaneously. Real-timely, everyone do it same thing, and each application may require multiple tasks to be done, which is turn might have multiple threads. Okay, each one is do it a separate application, separate things. Concurrently, we have to access different application at the same time. This is one of the main applications of a mobile operating systems. Okay, this scenario requires the simultaneous execution of multiple tasks, and all these tasks might use the same set of resources, where the OS plays a vital role so that the different tasks do not interfere with each other. Okay, each and every one it's looking like run separately. No one to interfere with other applications, other resources. Okay, this is comes under managing resources. Next, providing different interfaces. Okay, normally the mobile operating system provide interactive interfaces to the device, user, and also interface with several devices on the network. That means OS take care of recognizing inputs from keyboard, sending output to the display screen, and also recognizing interface with other peripheral devices such as other mobiles, computers, printers, etc. These type of works is looking like interfaces. So when you are connecting different devices at the time we are using the interfaces of mobile phones vary from device to device. Everyone accept it? That is, one device may have a touch screen, and also the other might have physical keyboard. Here, each and every mobile device have a different thing. One is a touch screen, another one might have a physical keyboard. At the time, OS easily configurable to work effectively with parameters specific to a mobile handset. That is called as interfaces. Some of the popular mobile operating systems are Symbian operating system, Android operating system, Windows Mobile, Palm OS, iOS, BlackBerry. These are all some popular operating systems. Let me discuss it in upcoming chapters. Next, let me see operating system structure. First of all, a mobile operating system, also called a mobile OS. It is an operating system. It is specifically designed to run on mobile devices, such as mobile phones, smartphones, personal digital assistant, tablet computers, and other handheld devices. It is personally is designed only for mobile phones. Okay. This is a operating system structure. First, this is a low-level hardware, and then manufactured device drivers. The next layer is a device operating system, like a kernel, these sort of things. Next, operating system libraries. Finally, these are all some applications we have used in our mobile phones. Okay. Next topic, let you see what are the special constraints and requirements of mobile applications. First thing, we can understand operating system of mobile device needs to differ significantly from general purpose operating system, which is used in a traditional computer because of the following constraints. Okay, this mobile operating system is traditionally differ from other operating systems. Okay, it's looking like to make the device to enter into low power sleep mode as soon as possible. Next constraints, the complex computation need to be avoided. Okay, and then Next, mobile phone need to be booted much faster than previously, and also size of the mobile operating system kernel need to be very small. These are all some more constraints in our operating system. Let me discuss it. What are all constraints are available in our mobile operating systems? Okay. Here, these are all special constraints. The first one is limited memory, and then next a limited screen size, and then miniature keyboard, limited processing power, limited battery power, limited and fluctuating bandwidth of wireless medium. The last one is real-time data streaming. So these are all special constraints of mobile operating system. First, let me see limited memory. Okay. When compared to desktop or laptop, a mobile device uses much less permanent and volatile storage. That is a must. And also, OS must small as much as possible. Here, what they are explained, OS operating system must be small, provide a rich user functionality when user demands. Next thing, size of the kernel plays a vital role in this. Okay, these are all constraints of limited memory. Next, limited screen size. Nowadays, we have a different type of mobile phones, different resolutions, different sizes. These are all things. At the time, we have to limit our sizes. Sizes of mobile phone must be small, and portable screen size is important. Okay. New innovative user interface is needed. On the other hand, switching between menu and iconic display. These are all some constraints in limited screen size. Okay. Next, miniature keyboard is nothing but miniature keyboard is a use of small size of keyboard and styles. Nowadays, the mobile devices provide with a small size display screens as a keyboard and in touchscreen mode, or small keyboard, or by using small stylus. This makes a provision of some facility for word completion prompts and availability of capabilities for free from handwriting recognition as mandatory. Okay, so only a small size keyboard we have to introduce in our mobile operating systems. Okay, next, limited processing powers. It is based on processor. In each and every mobile operating system processor, we have to use a limited power. So only we have to manage different applications we have to use in simultaneously. Okay, it is energy efficient, cheaper, powerful. It's also okay. Next, here size of on-chip memory is restricted, and then development is carried out outside. These are all special constraints or limited processing power. Next, let you see limited battery power. Mobile phones need to lightweight and portable, so we need to use slim batteries. Okay, each and every time we cannot recharge our batteries. Okay, no, so only we can provide no frequent recharges. Operating system needs to be computationally efficient and minimum power consumption. So only we can extend our battery powers. Okay, and then next, putting processor and display into sleep mode when it is not needed. These are all some constraints to improving the battery powers. Okay. The next, let me see limited and fluctuating bandwidth of the wireless medium. Due to the problems caused by mobility and wireless medium, the mobile operating system needs to run complex protocols. Okay, this wireless medium is